Hi there, it's Richard here at Midwell's Plumbing Heat Supplies. Today this video is just going to cover a couple of issues that we've had with the Pro Series thermostat. So this is the Pro Series thermostat. It's made by Resideo. So Resideo are Honeywell Home, or they manufacture products under the Honeywell Home brand. And this is the independent merchant's version of their T3 thermostat. The difference between this Pro Series thermostat and the T3 thermostat is that the T3 works with a different receiver, where this thermostat will actually work with a BDR91, and that's why we sell this as a replacement for the CMS 927 and CMS 921 on our website. But we've had a couple of little issues. We've had customers ring up and telling us that this button here isn't working. One of the customers I actually got back to send their Pro Series thermostat back to us, obviously, because it was faulty. And it's here on the table. So I just want to show you what's going on with it and how to fix it, okay? So when I got this thermostat, what I noticed is that the screen at the side was not clipped into this is the front plate, and then there's a back plate. So the PCB inside here is on the front plate. So that means that this button here doesn't work as well. So when that screen's not clipped in, this button here won't work. Okay, so there's a very quick fix. So if you take the battery compartment off, and then you'll see there's two arrows either side here. And they basically are little tabs, okay, which you press up, and then the front will detach from the back plate, okay? So if you get your thumb in here, and you literally just give that a press and a pull at the same time, it will literally come out. So that isn't always that easy, but you'll see at the top, it sort of clips in. I'm doing a bit of it clips in the top there like that and hinges down. And then you'll see these two clips here either side. So normally you have to press that one, and then you have to press the other one like so. And then this front plate will just literally hinge out the back plate, okay? So we can see that. And then what you'll be left with is you'll see the front plate with the PCB. Now the issue you have is if you look on these corners, you'll see these clips, okay? And what you can see is, for whatever reason off the manufacturing production line, this is not clipped in, okay? So you see this side here, you can see the two tabs here are clipped onto the PCB, okay? But on this side, for whatever reason, I don't know why, we are gonna raise it with the manufacturer, that they have not clipped in. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to clip those two in like so. Okay, so you can see that one's clipped in. And if that hinge clip, because it might have been like that for a little while, if it needs a little hand, just give it a little push from the back so it's definitely holding on. See that one just clipped in? So it's definitely holding on to the PCB. Hopefully you can see that. And then what you'll see from the front is that the screen now will be clipped in perfectly, okay? So if you just go all the way around, make sure all these are clipped in, okay, like so. And you see on that side there, they're clipped in. And then, if you then reassemble this with the back plate, so like I said, there's a hinge there and a hinge there, and those hinges go into these two top slots here, like so. And then the whole thing just literally clips back together like that, okay? And once you've done that, let's grab a couple of batteries out of here. Once you've done that, you'll see, if I stick the batteries back in, right, like so, that one there, okay. What you'll see then, hopefully, is if you set your year, set your month. But what you'll notice is when you get it out of the box, you'll struggle to set your days, your months and your year with this button, okay? You'll be pressing it really hard, where actually it's really, you only just literally touch that button quite gently to actually do the selections. But once this is all working, like I said, the screen will all be clipped in, and this button here, you'll be able to turn, just very lightly pressing this, you don't have to press it hard at all. You'll be able to turn it on and off. But what the customer was talking to us about when he was talking to us about the issues he was having to press this button really hard to even get it to work. And if that's happening, you've probably got that issue, okay? And like I said, it's just a case of taking that apart, clipping the PCB back in, and off it'll go. And it'll just save a bit of hassle having to send these back when it's literally a 2-minute fix to sort it. If, however, after you've tried that, it still doesn't work, then I don't know what else it could be, because that's literally what I found. But yeah, that then will work, and you should be able to then pair this to your existing relay box without any issue. Okay, I've been Richard. Hopefully that video was helpful. If you have any further questions after that, please, by all means, give us a shout. Thanks very much for watching.